waiting for the moment to break it. I've been slipping, but I think that I'm gonna make it. Where did we go? I lost you in the smoke, and I've tried patience, but we just overgrown all the circles that we move in. Remind me of the love we've wasted. If we're searching for the same thing, then why are we still suffering? I've been falling short lately. I thought love was true, but love